Okay, now we're being asked to find the equation of the line perpendicular to y equals 5 minus 3x through the point 0, 1. To make life a little bit easier for us, I'm going to start by just rearranging this original line so we've got a better idea of what it is. The line y equals 5 minus 3x is exactly the same as y equals minus 3x plus 5. We've still got a positive 5. That's positive 5, that's positive 5. We've still got minus 3x. Okay, so it's the same function. I'll just start by plotting a few points of that. So y equals minus 3x plus 5 will cross the y-axis at 5. It's negatively sloping, so it's going to slope this way. And the gradient is minus 3. So for every square we move across to the right, the graph goes down 3. So that's going to be there. Okay, I'm happy with that. I'm just going to label that with the original equation we were given. So y equals 5 minus 3x. We're going to start by, to find the perpendicular, we're going to start by finding the gradient of the perpendicular. And we're going to call that P, I think. So we've got the relationship that P times by the original gradient equals minus 1. Now, we've already talked about this. Our new gradient times by our original gradient is minus 1. So our original gradient was minus 3. So P times by minus 3 is minus 1. So let's have a think. What do we multiply minus 3 by to make minus 1? Alternatively, what would we multiply 3 by to make 1? It's going to be a third. Okay, so P, our perpendicular gradient, is a third. Okay, so that tells us that our new line, the equation will be of the form y equals 1/3 x plus some intercept c. Okay, and we need to find the intercept now. So y equals 1/3 x plus c is that's the form of it. We need to find the intercept. These 2 points here, 0, 1, sorry, that pair of points there, 0, 1, they conform with this rule. They will fit that rule, y equals 1/3 x plus c, because the point is on the line, the line crosses through that point. So we can substitute in this x value and this y value, and that will give us the value of the intercept. Okay, so y is 1, so 1 equals 1/3, our x value is 0, y is 1/3 of 0 plus c. Okay, that really easily tells us 1 equals nothing plus c, so c must equal 1. All we need to do now to complete it is substitute in this value of c for the placeholder that we left there. So y equals 1/3 x plus c. That's our perpendicular line. Just to confirm that, okay, the point 0, 1 is there. And it's going to meet that at right angles. I'm just drawing this really roughly. Okay, we notice y-intercept is 1. Can't believe I've just written that. Y-intercept is 1. We've got a y-intercept of 1. And our gradient, we have to move 3 squares across to go 1 square up. Gradient, vertical change divided by horizontal change, 1 divided by 3, a third. Job done.